Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, June 10th. Seeing another sunny day out there this morning. We did see an abundance of upper level cloudiness this morning that has cleared out a bit, but this is only going to be temporary. We're also starting to see some clouds near 2,000 feet, but otherwise going to be just seeing a partly cloudy day today, a little bit warmer perhaps, and a little bit of an increase in humidity as well. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have what used to be tropical depression Cristobal all the way up across the northern Midwest near the Great Lakes this morning. That has since undergone an extratropical transition and combined with another a low that was coming down from the northwest. This system is going to continue to get organized and then move eastward as we go throughout today and into tomorrow. That's going to then drag this front that's currently across the south. That's going to drag it across the mid-Atlantic late tomorrow, bringing us some showers and thunderstorms. As for today, we are going to continue to see high pressure and control. Not going to really see too much in the way of some cumulus clouds. Right now, we're just seeing that area of stratocumulus near 2,000 feet out there this morning and not expecting any precipitation across the Delmarva. Could see an isolated shower or storm across the Tidewater though later today, but not expecting to see any mechanism to initiate any storms until we get into tomorrow afternoon for the Wallops region. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning, which is once again not loading. We will be taking a look at our upper level winds instead here, looking at southwesterly winds just above the surface, 15 to 20 knots through 6,000 feet, then weakening a bit actually as we go up in the atmosphere. Still south-southwesterly, 15 to 20 knots through 16,000 feet, then weakening down to 10 knots from the southwest at the 20 to 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning just above 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of 85 degrees early this afternoon. Winds are going to be southerly or south-southwesterly, and that's going to really, the exact wind direction is really going to determine our temperature for today. If they remain more southerly, expecting temperatures around 84, 85 degrees, could see them bump up another degree or two if we get a little more of a southwesterly component. We're going to be seeing those winds increase this afternoon to 13 to 18 knots and gusty. Could be seeing a wind advisory with those gusts at times. And then as we go later into this evening, those winds will shift more southwesterly, remaining around 11 to 16 knots and gusty throughout the overnight hours, and then becoming 13 to 18 knots and gusty by mid-morning Thursday. We are expecting a very mild low tomorrow morning of 73 degrees as we get more moisture streaming into the area with that continued southwesterly flow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a few clouds at 2,000 feet scattered at 2,500. We'll be seeing those become scattered at 2,000, broken at 25,000 at times late this morning and into the early afternoon. Then late this afternoon, just seeing a few clouds near 16,000 feet moving to the area. That's going to be mainly after sunset, as well as continuing to see some few to scattered low clouds between 1 to 2,000 feet overnight. After 4 a.m., we're actually going to could see those low clouds become a little bit thicker at times, possibly becoming broken at 500 feet in areas, and then also seeing that broken mid-level deck at 16,000 feet, broken at 25,000 feet. Let's finally take a look at our satellite. It looks like it's loaded here. You see some of that cloudiness that we saw earlier has really started to clear out. So right now, seeing mostly sunny skies, but you can see just across the bay, there's plenty of upper level and still some lower level clouds across the area. So we are going to see those upper level cirrus clouds increase once again as we get towards the late morning hours and into the afternoon as well. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to see how our weather pattern will be progressing over the next few days. This is this afternoon. As we have that system approach, we could see some isolated showers across the mainland Virginia and over the Tidewater, but nothing here across the Delmarva, as we're still going to be seeing plenty of subsidence across the region. As we go into tonight, like I said, going to continue to see that south-southwesterly flow, giving us those mild temperatures tomorrow morning, as well as an increase in moisture, especially in the lower levels. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, you see that front's going to be approaching the area. We're going to start to see some consolidated showers and storms organize along this front. Does look like we will be dry in the morning. We won't be seeing shower chances until the afternoon. Once we get to the early afternoon hours, can't rule out seeing a pop-up shower or storm in advance of this line, but the main line of showers and storms will be impacting us once we get towards the late afternoon and evening hours. This is 8 p.m., and that's when we should really start to see the bulk of the showers and storms impact pretty much the entire Delmarva tomorrow evening. And then that front really is going to slow up tomorrow night. So we'll see continued rounds of showers and maybe an embedded thunderstorm throughout much of Thursday night, possibly lingering into Friday morning as well. There is some disagreement still on exactly how this front will be positioned until it stalls out. This model, which is the European model, current has the front actually stalling out the farthest to the west, which would prolong our showers and storms as we go late into Friday, and then even giving us a chance of a pop-up shower or storm Saturday. Most models do have us dry on Saturday. This is the only model that lingers that energy close enough to the peninsula to continue to give us chances for showers and storms. So that will be something to keep in mind, as still a little bit of uncertainty with regards to that. As we go into Saturday, though, you can start to see this additional shortwave drop down out of the Great Lakes, as we still have this lingering energy and a very weak surface low off the coast that's going to be hanging out in the area. As we go into Sunday, those two areas are going to combine, and we're going to see an upper level cutoff low form over the mid-Atlantic. There is a lot of uncertainty between the models on the strength and how long the strength of this low and how long it will be lingering across the area, and that's going to have big implications on not only our temperature but on our precipitation chances as we go into early next week. This is the European model. It is by far the wettest, as it has a lot of moisture hanging out in the area, as well as this upper level low pretty much stuck here with some upper level blocking, really not allowing it to go anywhere. And that would continue to give us some showers and storms from Sunday, and with continued chances all the way into middle of next week. Now, other models do kick out this weak low and weaken it by Tuesday or Wednesday. And this is the only model that has shower chances lingering throughout much of the week and even possibly until late next week. So that will be something we'll be keeping an eye on as we go into late this week and into early next week. So let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Partly to mostly cloudy today with a high of 85. Tomorrow is going to be a high of 81 with those thunderstorms late. We are going to see warmer temperatures in the interior portion. It does look like we'll see possibly a more southerly component along the coast, which will cap out those temperatures to 81. Friday and Saturday, it looks like temperatures will be in the upper 70s with lows in the mid to upper 60s. Friday, seeing that lingering shower or thunderstorm with that slow-moving front. Still some uncertainty on how quick that front moves east, but it does look like most of the models have it moving out by afternoon, so the best chance for rain will be in the morning Friday. Saturday, still carrying a 15% chance of showers and storms, depending on how far west that front moves, which could be the focus for additional thunderstorms on Saturday if the European model is correct. But right now, carrying this partly sunny skies, high of 78. As we go into Sunday through the beginning of next week, going to be seeing highs in the mid 70s, lows into the mid 60s, and like I said, lots of uncertainty on how this pattern will develop. Right now, carrying 40 to 60% chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms for each day, Sunday through Tuesday. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.